Hello, hi all. I'm Sushma here. I would like to thank Aster Volunteer for making me part of this. It's as you all know, we are all locked at home, and we've been a lot of people are working at home, and even the schools are locked. Web thing is happening faster, and at this time we as individuals have to do a lot of things which will come fulfill our requirement. So in today's series of webinar, I am going to teach how to make a mask. So it's very easy. Okay, so I'll be teaching how to do it with a machine, and how to do it by hand as well. So I hope you guys will do it, try it and stuff. I actually started live a little earlier so that I can get to interact with you all. So I'll not tell you anything what we need or anything. I'm just going to wait for you guys to be very active on this live, and hope you all are doing well, safe. Please stay at home and stay safe. Also, talking about Aster volunteers, I've been, I have worked with them before as well. In December month, they did a common ground show for autism kids. I was part of it as well, and coming back to Aster volunteers as a volunteer again is really a great thing for me. Helping people, helping the society out there, and being there when they all need us the most is really a very important thing. And Aster volunteers are providing all the kind of services that and volunteering people all around the globe, and they're working 24/7, and really salute to you guys. And Aster is itself a community of medical centers. They have medical centers all around the globe, and they're doing things that which is incredible at this time. They are the real heroes that we need to salute. So thank you, Aster volunteers and Aster medical community people, and everybody, doctors, nurses, everybody who's been working and associated in this field. So I'm just waiting for you guys to respond so that I can interact with you guys. Abhi is watching. Okay. We have 7 more minutes to go. 27 people are watching it right now. Okay, so talking more about myself, I am Sushma and I live in India. Right now, I'm actually a fashion designer and an actor as well. If you are from South India, especially if you're a Tamilian, you will know me because I am an actress in a Tamil serial called Naigi. And fashion designing is my profession and acting is like my passion. So fashion designing has brought me so far, and today being a designer, if I'm able to stitch something, and this is also, stitching is also something like home science, which is a basic requirement, basic thing everybody should know. Because see, at this time when there is so much of there is no supply of masks all over the world. So at this time, all that you can do is make something for yourself, and all we have is little things that we have at home. We can make this easily. So knowing stitching is really important. And in this video and in this live, I'll be teaching how to make it in machine as well as by hand. So first we'll go like machine stitching, and then we'll do by hand. Okay, so it's gonna be very easy, like damn easy. You will need very less things. You're going to be sorted if you have very few things, and especially the homemakers, they can make it for their kids. And when all this corona and all this are gone, you'll eventually get time to go out with friends, and your kids will get time to play with their friends. And when they wear a mask what you have made for them, definitely it will make a they'll feel good, like, you know, hey, my mom made this, how does it look on me? And maybe, like, you know, they can even you know, like, I'm using plain fabric right now, but you can take some cartoon character fabric and then make a mask out of it. It'll be very funky, it'll be very see, at this time of crisis, finding positivity is very important. We all lack in that. We are all fearing at this time, so it's better not to think about those things. Just have fun. And this basically, this video is also, this class is also going to be very fun. I hope you all will enjoy. We have 46 people right now. Okay, thank you so much whoever is watching here. Everyone lives at home by prayer. Did you stay home? Yes, I did. Thank you so much. Okay, so which is 4 minutes. Okay, I have so many questions here. कैसे हो? अच्छी हूँ, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद. आप कैसे हो? Okay, so I think we'll just get started. Okay, so coming up to the things what we need to make a mask. First basic thing is you need a fabric. You need a fabric. Cotton breathable fabric is preferable, or any breathable fabric is preferable, but cotton is the best, because again, let me remind you, the mask that we're gonna make is going to be reusable for only once or twice. That too, if you like wash it. Washing is mandatory, so using once or twice is really important. So yeah, so you need a cotton breathable fabric, and then you need scale, pencil, measuring tape to mark the, like, you have a big fabric like this, you need to cut it out, right? So you need a measuring tape, scale and pencil, and then a fabric scissor. If you don't have a fabric scissor, it's okay, you can use any sharp scissor, but fabric scissor is really the best, because fabric, when cut with fabric scissor, is always precise. That's why. And then we'll need, most important thing is elastic. If you don't have elastic, you can also use this nada. Okay, you get that nada, you get it in the shop or you get it anywhere. Okay, so that doesn't matter, so it's okay. And should the mask be washed every time you go? No, not necessary. So if you use it and then you be like, you cough or you feel something is on it, and then you can wash it. And again, I'm reminding you, you can use this mask only once or twice. It's reusable, like only once or twice, not more than that. Okay, so that's why I'm going to teach you a very simple thing. Actually, you can make it in like 10 minutes, but I'm going to take a little more longer because I'm going to teach you all. So yeah, let's just get started now. Looking so gorgeous, Sweeter. Thank you. Is this one time use, or we can wash it and use it again? See, like I told you, you can use it once or twice. Okay, so let's get started. And so I have this fabric. This is a blue cotton breathable fabric. Like, when I keep it here like this, I'm able to breathe in. So this is already a sample which I've done before to show you all, so how it might look. So yeah, so this goes like this here, and you can pull it out. So what is the main agenda of wearing a mask? It should cover your nose and mouth completely, right? So almost half of your face should be covered like this. So that's the main purpose of having a mask. And this is a single layer, okay? It's not any double layer, it's just a single layer. That's why I'm telling, when you use it once or twice, it's better to throw it away. Like, once you use it, wash it, use it again, and then throw it. Okay, so yeah. And so what we're gonna do, so you have a fabric like this, okay, more than twice. If you if you feel this mask is going to is not dirty or something, and if you feel it's still fresh and okay enough, you can use it. But it's not recommended anyways. It's left up to you. I'm glad as to yes, definitely. I'm glad too that I'm able to teach you all this. Okay, let's just get started right now. Okay, so we have this fabric here. Okay, I don't know the measurement, but the measurement of the mask that we are making today is 8 into 8, which is the selvage part is going to be 8, and so it means it's like a square and it's 8 into 8. So I'm taking my measuring tape and I'm marking it here. I hope you all can see it. Okay, such a tiny place to do this. Okay, yes, so can you see? So I'm using 8 inches. Okay, measuring tape or scale, 8 inches. Keep it here. Mark. Done marking. I've done marking here. Okay, then next, lengthwise same 8 inches. Okay, so my 8 is here. I'm going to mark it again. Now you kind of get a L shape thing. So that will be complete only if you again do this 8 inches here. So you finished here and then you mark it here. Okay, so from top to bottom, all the 4 sides, since I started from this edge, I didn't have to measure this side, so I've marked all the 3 sides 8 inches. Now using the scale, I'm going to draw a line. Okay, so it would be convenient if you guys could do it with me. Okay, I'm drawing a line. So first what I did, I took a measuring tape. I measured 8 inches, all the 4 sides. Now what I'm doing, I am drawing a line. Yes, I'm drawing a line. It's going to be very easy, guys. It will be very convenient if you also keep doing the same with me. So now we finished marking. Okay, actually we don't use pencils for marking in the fabric. We normally use chalk, which is fabric chalk, but it's okay, doesn't matter. We all have pencils, so yeah. So I have marked. I don't know if you can see, but can you see this line? I've used pencil to mark it, and yeah, now you need to cut this out with fabric scissor. Okay, now since I already have a cut fabric, I'm not gonna cut this out. Okay, so it look somewhat like this. Okay, so now I'll answer few of your questions and then I'll start with the next step. So does this have a pocket to put any essential? No. It doesn't have any pocket to put any kind of essential oil. This is just a very basic mask, which is very easy to make, because anybody, even the boys, should be able to make. That's the whole agenda right now. Okay. What is the proper way to wash the mask? The proper way to wash the mask is, you can in a tub of hot water, you can put some Dettol liquid and then dip it and take it out, or even you can surf wash it or anything. Whatever it is, the soap content has to stimulate in the fabric, in the mask, and then you put it in the sun, like it has to dry, like crisp dry. So yeah, then you know it's going to be all obviously protecting you again. Okay, I am right-handed, you are left-handed, yet it is easy. Okay, thank you so much. What fabric have you used? I'm using a cotton fabric, cotton breathable fabric. Such a great initiative, teach people. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Okay, it's going to be very easy. Just hold up with me. Going to be damn easy. So you all know the first step. What did we do? We just cut 8 into 8 from all the 4 sides, and then we marked in the pencil, and then we just cut it. Now when it just looks like this, I'm not going according to a measurement or anything. I'm just going what do you say, approx measurement in my mind. What I'm going to do is, I am now going to fold one of the side. Okay, one of the side like this, and the other side here like this. Just folding it. Okay, Now the place where it is folded, okay, now from the place wherever it is folded, sorry guys, I had got a call. So yeah, so what I was telling, we need to fold it, so both the sides, any side, okay, but parallelly you need to fold a bit like this, press it and fold it. Okay, next what we're gonna do, we are going to so what I did, I folded this side and the other opposite side. So what I'm going to do is on the other this side, like on parallel vertical parallel side, I am going to fold it like okay, let me show you. I'm going to fold like this, like how you pleat, no, like how you pleat. Let me show you, like, okay, so how do you pleat? You pleat like this, like this, right? So that same you're going to do with the fabric. So instead of taking this big portion, just take a small portion, okay, small portion like this, and then fold it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do it like 3 times, okay. So I have done here one down, next one, 2 down, and the next one. It's not so tricky, but it looks like, and 3 down. Okay, so let's do this again. If you want, do it together with me. Thank you very much on behalf of viewers. Thank you so much. Be square marks, but marks that outside are rectangle mostly. Should we follow your step only to me? Yeah, see, we have square, we are going to make it into rectangle. That's why we are doing this foldings, okay? So we are doing this foldings and we'll get the rectangle, so not to worry. So let me do this again because I got distracted. Okay, so we're gonna fold this once, get unfolding, press it, and then you take the second time, again press it, and then you take again third time and press it. Okay, so now the, like, you know, it kind of looks like, hold on, I don't know if you can see, but okay, let me move my camera instead of raising the fabric. So it looks like this, okay. Oh my god, okay. So now I am going to stitch it this way. I'm going to stitch it here and here, both the side. Okay, so I'm using my machine, sewing machine. I've already winded thread and everything on this. I'm just going to switch it on. So see, again for the folding there is no measurement, okay, just average. If you ask me, I would say 2 centimeter precisely, but 2 centimeter and all you can't, you want to do it faster, so precisely and all don't keep it in mind. It's okay, whatever it, at least it should be in the size of your index finger. You need to roll it in that way, like go like this, leave it aside, put a pin or something, and then go again, fold the same way, leave it the same way, and then again the next one. So then you get 3 pleats like this, okay. And then now we're gonna stitch it. We're gonna stitch in the end. Gonna stitch in the end. So this I'm using a machine to do is, but the next one that I'm going to do is same procedure but with hand. I'll be hand sewing it. Okay, so those who don't have machine, don't worry, we still have a remedy for it. So yeah, I'm doing it slowly by hand because I want that fold to sit on my foot tooth. Now I'm going to pedal slowly pedal, because you need to get that tucks properly. Yes, it's done. It's that simple. So now can you see this fold here? So these are the 3 folds that we did. Now we're gonna do the same thing the other side. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side with the same measurement, proper, exact. Why do we crease it in the beginning? Like, why do we press it here is because we get both same measurements. Okay, so yes. Let's do the same stitching. Stitching is an art, and I'm not too good at it, but yeah, these are all basic a fashion designer gets to study. Anyways, any homemaker will be knowing how to stitch. Okay, the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm just checking if I did any mistake. I hope not. Okay, thank God. So I'm going one by one. I'm going one by one, like one pleat at a time. Okay, one pleat at a time. So yeah, I finished my first pleat. Now the second one. And last, third one. Yay, it's over. Okay, it's that simple. Now we have finished. We finished this on both the sides, and it looks somewhat like this. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to so this is the right side, and okay, let me on. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So we have to fold this towards the wrong side. Okay, we have to fold this towards the wrong side, and then we'll give a stitch here. Okay. Okay, before doing that step, let me answer to your questions. Is it true to test a mask one should not be able to blow a candle when? I am sorry, Umesh sir, I have no clue about it. So simple, yes, it's very simple. Which company machine? This is Usha Genome. I heard Vidya sewing machine is innovation of Apple. I'm not sure. Any sewing machine which can sew can be used. Pleats for frock. Yes, I know it. Half. Yes, correct. That's exactly the pleats we are doing here. It will help. Yes, of course. What materials can use for this mask? Just a cotton fabric. And actually, again, let me remind you all, this live is for Aster volunteers on their behalf. The kind of things that they're coming up with is really great. You all are safe at home, but they've been working 24/7 there, and real salute to the real heroes. We'll always keep them in our prayers. And thank you so much, Aster volunteers, for making me part of this. I cannot stop telling you this until I finish this entire project. So yeah, let's get back to the stitching. So once the pleats, we stitch the pleats on both the sides. Like one of our friends said, the frock pleat, yes, it's exactly the same. Now we'll fold towards the wrong side and stitch it again. Okay, so let's do it. See, finishing and all, don't have to see, it's okay, doesn't matter. When you are still learning, it doesn't matter, so no problem. I'm so sorry. Yes. It's going to be far easy if you actually stitch it by your hand, but this is more faster. I think in half an hour at least 2 masks you'll be able to make for sure. So I'm stitching it off. Okay, now let's do the same step the other side. What we did, we're just folding this to the wrong side and we're stitching it. That's it, as simple as that. Be very careful while using machine because the needles are very sharp. So yeah, be very careful. Okay, done. So we have done, so I just did both the sides. We are done with it. And this is going to be the front of our mask. Okay, it's going to come like this. Now since we have finished the side, see, almost covers till the, like, it almost covers the whole half part of my face here. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to fold in the like before. Why did we do that first step is because to get an idea how much we need to fold to get the sides done. So now then the both sides are properly stitched, just again fold it here up. Okay, up you'll fold it and put a stitch, and then again you do the same below. But what we are including here is I am going to attach my elastic here itself. Why? Because I don't want to, like, stitch then again go for this elastic. No, it's too time consuming. But if you want like really good perfection, it has to be really good, nice and all, you can do it. But I'm going to skip that. What I'm going to do next is, yes, of course I'm going to fold this. I'm going to like fold this here. But apart from just fold him, I am going to keep my elastic here. Okay, first I'm going to keep my elastic here and then I'll put a stitch. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same here with another elastic, and then I'm going to fold this and then I'll give a stitch here. Okay, so I'll just show you that, and the second process, like and we'll do here step by step. Okay, meantime let me answer a few questions. Great, thanks. Oh, simple, very bad at using. It's okay, doesn't matter. You can still use your hand and sew it. Thank you, Licho. If you wear mask and sneeze, and should we throw the mask away or wash it and use? See, I don't know how to answer all these questions, but yeah, if you have like really bad cold, then it's better to throw away. But if it's like okay, like moderate cold or something, it's okay to keep it. It depends on you. I mean, your flu, you know your body much better than me. So yeah. Is it washable? Yes, it's washable. Like I said, you can reuse it like once or twice, not more than that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're taking this elastic and stitching it here on the wrong side. All that we're doing next is on the wrong side itself. Okay, so you can see all the wrong side means wherever you folded doesn't look ugly here, it looks very neat here. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look neat? Yes. Okay. So yeah, let's do it. So instead of elastic, if you don't have elastic, you can use your hair, hair rubber band, okay, elastic that you use for your hair. Cut it if it's waste, or you can even use that nada like I said before. You can, so I have cut this almost 6 inches, okay, 6 inches. If it is nada, you can take like maybe 9 inches, you can take 9 inches, but don't take 6 inches, okay, it's going to be too less. Take 9 inches for nada. If you're using elastic just like I'm using, take 6 inches, because 6 inches is going to like fit in properly, that's why. So I'll stitch this. So the stitching part you can do by hand also. This sticking the elastic with the fabric, this part especially, because sometimes your machine might not run on the elastic, but I'm just doing it by hand. So I have just run through it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing again, so that it's fixed properly. Since the elastic is very tiny, I don't want to pedal and run the machine. That's why I'm just doing it by my hand. Okay, so yes, it's done. Okay, now the same thing on the other side. Same, another elastic. Same process, whatever you did. Same thing, okay? Oh, this is so tricky. Okay. So again I'm running my machine needle through the elastic slowly, so that it's fixed there. Okay, and yet again the same process, because it has to stay very strong there, or else no point. It'll just come off. No point. Okay, it's done. Okay. So I'm just cutting all the extras. Okay, like you can see all the extras out of it, or it's gonna look very ugly. So yeah, I've attached. On the wrong side it looks very bad. Doesn't matter. This is very simple way of making, so we're not aiming for perfection. So yeah, once this is done, you need to fold this inside, which is towards the wrong side, and then just sew it. Very simple. So let's do that. So I finished attaching the elastic as well. Now I'm going to run my machine over it. Okay. Almost 62 people are watching right now live. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're done. The same procedure in the bottom as well. Okay, but here we're going to do it a little differently. In the bottom, what you're going to do, you're not going to attach any kind of elastic here. No, the same elastic which is here, you're going to run stitch over here. Okay, you're going to keep it here, run stitch here both the side, then you will get this loop, then you will get this mask loop. Okay, so now I feel that my mask is a little big. like, it is too big. So what I'm going to do when I'm going to fold here, I'm not going to fold like 1 centimeter. I'm going to fold like maybe 2 centimeter, like maybe this much. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll attach my elastic here. Okay, stitch it both the side. I'll do one folding here and then I'll fold it once again. So then now it looks like perfect rectangle, and yeah, it should be somewhat like this. Then it'll go completely. Okay, we need that perfect rectangle so that it sits in properly like this, and then you can pull it to cover your neck as well, like this part of your neck. If we don't have cotton breathable fabric, then can we make use of non-woven poly? Yeah, sure. If you're talking about that cloth kind of bag, yes, you can use it, but make sure you are able to breathe through it. Okay, yeah, usually given these days while shopping. Yes, cut. Can we cut them? Yeah, sure, you can do that. Imperfect is the new perfect. Yes, my sewing machine left me, but I will make okay. What's the material you are using for the main body of the mask? I am using cotton fabric. Okay, just sada cotton fabric. Okay, now let's do the other side. Same thing like I told you. I'm just cutting all the extras because don't want it to look very bad once done. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, like on the wrong side, keeping it on the wrong side, sewing it here for it to hold the stitches tightly, folding it, and then again stitching it. So let's do this. How nice it would be if all are making their own mask, and when you go out you can tell people I made it by myself, because I think hereafter mask is going to be one of the essential part of outfit as well. Like when you wear a dress, I think you will have to wear a matching mask. Actually a nice idea. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, again I'm going to run this through my hand itself because I want it to fit in perfectly, that's why. Okay, so we are done. So it's tight enough. Okay, just pull it for reconfirmation if you want. I'm doing the same on the other side. On the other side, same thing, just for the threads to hold the elastic tightly. Actually you can make it even faster, but I'm doing it like step by step, slowly, so that I am able to make you guys understand. Those who are very new to stitching, who doesn't even know to stitch, I mean it'll be a little hard for you, but I'm sure once you start, whatever it is, when you start making it only you'll know how hard it is or easy it is. So not to worry, you can start it on and do it in your free time. Just spare some time, make something useful for yourself. Don't buy masks from outside please, because doctors needs it, because they are with the COVID patients, so they need it most. They are in actual contact with the patient, so they need it most, not us, right? So yeah, Next, so I have just stitched both the sides, so it looks somewhat like this right now. Okay, now like I told you, I'm going to fold it twice, not once, I'm going to fold it twice, like 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter once. Okay, this 1 centimeter for me, and again 2 centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to do it twice, and then I'm going to run on the machine. So this is the last step of making mask. See how simple is that? Very simple, guys. If you have successfully made a mask after watching this live, all thanks and credits to Aster Volunteers group, and cheers to them, because they gave me an opportunity to teach you guys, and made maybe now only 73 people, yeah, 73 people are live, but I'm sure lakhs of people will be watching this later, this live. Okay, so let's run this. And we are done. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, I'm just cutting all extra threads. Now, yeah. So this is how your mask looks. Okay. That's simple, and yeah. So I'm using this double folded side on the top so that it sits properly on my nose. Okay. So it's like this. Yay! Okay, that's it. Now we are going to do the same thing with by hand sewing it. Okay, so this is the mask that I did with machine. Very simple, very easy, very quick to be made. You just need to know how to fold these things. It's just a pleat, normal pleat. So let's do it again. This time we'll do it by hand sewing it, so that it'll be easy for you guys to do it at home. For hand sewing, you'll just need needle and thread. So I'm taking this needle and thread out. Is there any questions that you want to ask me? Of course, everybody who has clapped. Thank you so much, but it was damn funny. Whoever has clapped on 22nd March will clap for me too. Thank you. If you told it sarcastically or even seriously, it's okay. Thank you so much. I will take it as a compliment. And again, before starting this video is by Aster Volunteers community, and they've been working 24/7. And let me reintroduce myself, because whoever has joined our live newly, they have to know this. I'm Sushma. I'm a fashion designer and an actor by profession. I've already worked with Aster Volunteers in December for one of their main important event in Dubai called Common Ground, and now I'm happy that I'm able to collaborate again and teach something really useful at this point of time. At the time of world crisis, we are able to interact like this. We are all safe inside our houses, so, and learning something useful and productive like this is really I don't know, feeling very grateful. So thank you, Aster Group, Aster Volunteers, for having me and giving me this opportunity to teach people like this. It's a really new experience. I have never done this before. So yeah, let's get started with the second one. So we have another half an hour only for this class to be done. Just hold up with me. It's going to be easy. So maybe I'm not going to teach you exactly We may not finish the entire thing completely, but let's try. Okay, let's try. So I am taking needle, thread. Okay, just 5 minutes before I end this video, I'll again refresh the steps, will again remind you what to do. So I put the thread into the needle eye. Now let me knot it. Okay, yes. Okay, now the same thing. Okay, so this is another cotton fabric which I had at home. So like I said, make something creative for your kids, then only they'll wear, they'll feel even like wearing, because wearing mask is already first of all very suffocating. Okay, you after some point of time you start sweating here. So at least, you know, things like this, like colorful fabric like this will fascinate kids to wear. So it's nice if you can get something like this and try it. Okay, so now again this is the wrong side and this is the right side. Okay, so now whatever stitches we're going to do on the wrong side. So the same pleat that I'm going to do, like the random one, start from anywhere, no problem. Okay, so I'm starting again same 8 into 8 itself, starting from bottom. I am just pressing it once pleated, then I'm taking another pleat. Again I shall press it. This time let me do it something differently with the scale. Okay, and next again another pleat, because it has to cover our mouth and below the mouth here, like below the chin. Actually, I even have a YouTube channel, and which is called something by Sushma. So if you guys want to learn like step by step properly, slowly, take your own time or something, you can even go to my channel and you can watch it over there. I even make other kind of videos like DIY and so many other things. Like, it's just fun. My YouTube channel doesn't have any criteria of any subject. So I just finished with the pleats, like you can see. I hope you can see 1 2 3 pleats. Okay, so I'm just using a needle and thread to sew it. Okay, so I'm just going to do it only on top of the pleats that we have taken. Okay, so let's do it. I'm doing a running stitch. Running stitch is nothing but doing it like this, like you see, up and down, up. Okay, I need to keep it here to get it perfectly. Up and down, and then yeah, you get the running stitch. It looks somewhat like this. Hope you all can see. This white line is the thread and the stitches. So on the front, on the back it looked like this, but on the front it looks somewhat like this. Can you see this pleat here? First pleat, second pleat. Once you complete the third one, that is also going to look the same. And to make all these things, you need patience. Without patience, you can't finish it. Because of course it's time consuming, but also it even tests your patience. Sometimes you might not get the folds properly, you might get pissed off. So not to worry, just keep doing it. Just follow the steps. That's it, as simple as that. Okay, now I'm doing the third pleat. Hopefully I'll get it right. Yes, I got it. Yay. Okay, done. So I put running stitch only over the pleats. Why? Because other place it's not required, that's why. Okay, so once it's done, I am going to knot it off. Okay, I'm going to knot it off here. What I'll do, since we have very less time and this is again like a redo of whatever we did before, I'll do it only on the one side, like only this side. Okay, so same side, same thing you have to do on the other side, that's it, no difference. So I'm putting a knot. Knot is basically very easy. You just need to make a loop and tighten it, that's it, simple. Okay, so next what we'll do is we'll fold this. We'll like fold this. Okay, fold this and again give a stitch. Once folded, again give the stitch, same like whatever running stitch we did here, same thing. You can actually use pins, ball pins, to keep these stitches tight. Right now I don't have it, so yeah, it's kind of getting messy, but yeah, if you put a pin over here, it will stay as it is. Okay, now I'm going to fold it and again I'm going to run my stitches over the fold. So I'm doing only on the one side because it's like a redo, but by using needle and thread. Hope you guys don't mind. I just want to show you the technique, that's it. Okay, let me answer a few questions. Thank you so much. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much. No sarcasm, only respect. Great job. Thank you so much, Haripriya. Rohit Chopra, this is very informative. Aster should make this video available on YouTube after the live is over. Sure, Aster, please make a note of it. Aster volunteer team, please make a note of it. Please post this video on your YouTube channel. Yes, of course, this video is on my YouTube channel. Please go to something by Sushma and you can find how I made a mask on DIY project playlist. Appreciated as you are doing it as volunteer base, but will this mask prevent from virus? As per study, cloth mask will prevent. Yes, again, this is a very huge thing. Wearing mask has become compulsion. First of all, wearing mask, those who have flu, cold, and those who are really sick, wearing mask for them is really important. Of course, we cannot guarantee that cloth will prevent from virus or whatever, but what I can say is, for your personal protection, you can wear this cloth mask. If you have like flu, if you have like cold, heavy cold, cough, then it's better you go, you can get, you know, medical N95 mask or something. But see, at this moment we have like lack of resources and lack of mask supply. Our doctors and medical field people need it. So for the current situation, this is more feasible. So that's why now I'm going to make running stitches over this fold, like I told you, just folding it. And yes, be very careful while using needle. Don't please hurt yourself. Okay, it's very simple. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but yeah, how can I show you? Yeah. You can even go like one by one, like go, like, you know, take it like this, but I'm doing all together because I know to do that way. So yeah. So we have come to the end here, and yes, almost done. And yes, done. Okay, finished with running stitch. Once you finish with running stitch, it looks somewhat like this, okay? So you need to pull it. You need to pull it and stretch it so that doesn't have any crease or folds. Okay, once you're done with it, just put a knot. Okay, done. Now you are expected to do this on the both side, okay, but I'm doing it only on the one side. So now once we are finished with these pleats as well, it looks somewhat like this. If you finish both the sides, it look more neat, but it's okay anyways. Now same thing, we're going to attach our elastic here, okay? We're going to keep our elastic here and then fold it and again stitch here, give a stitch here. Same thing, I mean I'll pull it here, pull it on the other side, parallel side, put a stitch here and then again fold and stitch it. So let's do that. This is going to be quick, it will finish very fast, no doubt. Okay, so like while I was making this like I was fixing elastic even on the machine made mask. For that also elastic you can actually do it by your hand if you want, because doing it by hand is very easy. Okay, so it looks perfect. Let me tie a knot here. Yes, almost done. Okay, cut it off. Okay, what questions we have? Where are you operating out of? What do you mean? I love the dream catcher behind. Did you make it? Yes, I made it, and it's on my YouTube channel. How to make it? Nice cloth pattern. This is a fun mask. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like, stitching can be a new hobby, and making a mask could be your first project. So why don't you guys try it? If you do try it, please put a comment on this video after the live is over. Share it with your friends. And yes, done. So we are almost done by sticking this here. So I finished attaching the elastic. Now I am not going to do more. See, this is one side. Once you finish the other side, then it look complete. Okay, so you know the procedure how to make it. Hand stitching also, it gives the same like if you use a color fabric like this, you know, your hand stitches will not even make any difference. So that's okay. So it's okay to use any kind of fabric, but cotton breathable fabric if you have, and elastic is preferable. If you don't have elastic, please use nadas or threads or something like that. Even you can use your rubber bands, no problem. Now I'm not going to complete this because you already know the step. I will just revise whatever we did before. So first we'll take a fabric like this, any fabric but cotton breathable fabric. Any in the sense, in cotton, if you have any like printed, you have a plain, doesn't matter, anything. Okay, so you take this, you mark in your measuring tape 8 into 8, which is 8 inches length and width, both has to be 8 into 8. So you will kind of get a square shape fabric. Okay, you will get a square shape fabric. Once you finish with the square shape, you need to do the pleat like how I've done here, like this. Okay, I'm not like, actually it is precisely 2 centimeter, but since you don't need any perfection and all that, just average, like just your index finger measurement, fold it, flatten it, leave it, fold it, flatten it, leave it, fold it, flatten it, leave it. If you want, if the cloth is not sitting wherever it has to be, then put a ball pin or something, or even safety pin, just so that the folds are held by the safety pins. Okay, so it is very tight and firm there. Once you're done with that, fold towards the wrong side and give it a stitch here. Sorry, I had some trouble in my app. So okay, so once you fold it, give it another stitch, and then the last step, attaching elastic or thread, put in the 2 corners. After it somewhat looks like a, you know, a rectangle shape. Once you get this shape, put your elastic in the 2 ends, and first fix the elastic, okay, in 2 corners, first here and then here. Give a stitch here by folding it. Do the same by looping it like this, firmly stitching it here again, and then fold it, stitch it. That's it. So simple, done. Okay, it was so good making this along with you guys. If you were making it with me, I'm so glad, and thank you so much for doing it with me. Now let me finally answer to the questions. Okay, where are you working from? I am right now in Bangalore. This mask will match with everything. Yes, exactly. Sister, you're doing literally a beautiful job. Thank you so much. So yeah, we have come to the end of this session today. I hope you all liked whatever I believe we made it together since it was live. I am making myself feel that we did it together like a class. So I hope you like the method, and it is very simple. Please try it and make a mask for yourself. And if you don't want it to, it's okay. If you have elders at home, make it for them. It's going to be very useful for them. They will thank you for it. And what I did personally is, once I discovered this pattern, I immediately stitched few masks and supplied it in my colony here to all the elders like who are like 55, 60 plus. And yeah, same, since we can't get mask from out, not even supposed to go out, right? It's lockdown, so we don't get such supplies, and when we step out of the house itself, we are supposed to wear a mask now. So it's going to be useful for them, and the rates of the mask are really expensive here. It's almost 250 rupees one mask for that N95. So yeah, making something like this will hardly consume some time, and you can make it at home free of cost, right? And I hope you all liked this method pattern and liked the way I taught you. Hope you all will try. If you definitely try, please come back to Aster Volunteer page and put a comment on this live video, share it with your friends, and teach them too. I'll be more happy if you guys will multiply this by teaching this to others. And again, I would like to thank Aster Volunteers for making me part of this. We have seen different classes happening in Webnair, which is I think it started with painting, and then Vishaka's dance Kathak classes, and then today my painting, my DIY for how to make a mask. It was really fun making with you guys, along with you guys. I have so many masks right now. I'm so sorry, again another interruption and problem in my app. So yeah, end of this video. We are at end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Astro Volunteers, thank you so much for this opportunity. You being big chain of medical society all around the globe, doing great job for us. On behalf of all the people who are watching live today, I would like to thank Aster Group and Astro Volunteers, and please keep like to this Aster Volunteer page, and keep following up things that they're coming up with. It's really exciting because learning something through a live video like this is really different, and interacting with you guys like this was, it just made my day. Good job, God bless. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I feel very very grateful. Thank you so much. Mm. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Krishna, sir. Thank you so much. I hope I made it a successful, uh, portion of class. So yeah, thank you so much. Hopefully, we'll see again. Maybe some other project related to this field. I'll do whatever possible from my end. Please be responsible citizens. Please don't go out. Stay at home. Stay safe. Help each other. And enjoy your quarantine time, because this kind of thing you will never get back in your life again. You won't get a lockdown holidays hereafter, or no corona leaves. So whatever time you have got now is very precious. Do something productive, help each other, and take care of yourself. Stay healthy, and that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this live. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Always grateful and lot of gratitude. Thank you so much. Bye.